YouTube. I've done my eyebrows off the camera. How are you? It's a makeup tutorial today. Okay, first and foremost, I'm going with my House of Tara face foundation primer. I'm applying it with my fingers all over my face. Yes, of course. Now I'm going in with my foundation of black opal stick in nutmeg. That's my shade, and rubbing it through. It has a good coverage. It has a very good coverage. But I think this is one of my favorite foundations, and I have so many, but this is also one of the favorites. It doesn't slide, and it's very good, especially for a dry weather, because it has this creamy consistency. Now with my damp beauty blender, I am blending it into my skin. You know, one thing with foundation routine, it needs to be well blended. You see how blended it is? It's almost looking like my skin. Now that's what is typically called a skin walk. Now I'm going in with another foundation from Superstar, as this is a dark shade of Superstar. I think 380 or so. Yes, this is a dark shade. I'm going to use it to contour my face, the side of my cheeks, my nose, my forehead. I'm contouring with it. Okay, I'm using this because this is the makeup I was going for an event, and the event was going to last the whole day, so of course I need to wear makeup that was going to last the whole day. Now using another Superstar foundation. This one is in 310, so the lightest shade. I'm going to use it to highlight. Now I just got this Superstar foundation, but I'm liking it. It has a full coverage, but then it's a foundation that I noticed that you can't blend in immediately. You have to let it sit on your skin for a while before you blend it, because it's very, very water based, so you need to allow it to be a bit sticky on the face before you blend it. I notice when you blend it immediately, it doesn't give that full coverage feel. It doesn't sit, it keeps moving around. So when I apply it, I allow it sit on my face for a while to get that full coverage effect. Yes, it's really mattifying. I love it. Like, it's waterproof, because even when I wore the makeup, I was sweating. I didn't have issues of fallout, I didn't have issues of my makeup pouring. So I begin to blend by the edges first. You know, those harsh lines shouldn't show, because if you can see them, any other person looking at you can equally see them. So I'm blending it in properly, blending it in to merge into the contour as well. You know, one thing with makeup, where you start should not show, where you end should not show. Everything should just look alike, everything should look seamless. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my videos, drop your comments. I wore this makeup actually for a wedding. I'm coming with the wedding vlog as well. It's a River State wedding. You know, I'm actually from the north central part of Nigeria, but I'm based in Port Harcourt. So kind of these things are not things I'm used to. So after setting under my eye with a loose powder, I used pond powder. I'm now setting it again with a compact powder. That is my LA Pride compact powder. It's a makeup that I would want to carry the whole day, so I want it to be firm and not to slide. So after setting the makeup with a loose powder, I'm setting it again. Sorry, after setting with a loose powder at first underneath the eye, then I set with a compact powder. Now I'm setting again with a loose powder. Now the loose powder I'm setting with is not only going to make the makeup more mattifying, it's also going to help me with fallout from eyeshadow that I am about to apply. Now I'm using the eyeshadow from Juvia, and I'm using a shade called Cameroon. From that, this thing is more like a color picker. It has a orangey kind of feel. Now I'm going in with it first. Yeah, for my transition, I'm using a flat application brush. It's been a while I came with makeup tutorial, and I was like, yo, when I was about to go out, and at least I noticed I still had time, so I was like, okay, let me film my makeup tutorial so that I could drop it. Yeah, and it's really, really amazing. It's nice. I enjoy filming my makeup routine. I love wearing makeup, by the way. Yeah, so now I'm blending properly with a blending brush. No harsh lines, no harsh lines. That's the rule when you're making makeup. Okay, not a rule per se, because there are no rules to makeup, but at least the right way to wear makeup, there shouldn't be harsh lines showing. So I've blended everything in. Now I'm going in with like kind of a metallic color. It's a shimmery color. One thing with this Juvia eyeshadow palette is like it's two in one palette. You have mattifying shades, and then you have shimmery shades, so it's a one palette kind of eyeshadow. You could do a full face, a full eyeshadow with it. So I'm taking from the Juvia, please. I'm tapping it onto my eyelid. It's a wedding. I'm going as a wedding guest, so at least now let me look fine. I beg. This is the moment where everybody wants to shine, so I'm using something that will pop out, and this is it. So I'm going to I'm smoking it with a purple shade from that palette. Yeah, it's I'm giving the smoky feel. Now no, I'm not using the normal dark shade to smoke. I'm using that purple to smoke. Now I'm using this Gentle Dove. Now this is another eyebrow pomade that I just discovered. It's so nice. So I'm using it to line, to give a wing my eye, and I'm also going to use it on my waterline. It doesn't slide though, it doesn't pour. The name is just I'll drop all the name of the products in my description box. Yes, because right now some of these things I'm not really conversant with them, so I'll drop them. Now I'm setting the whole face and taking out the excess powder with my compact powder, my LA Pride compact powder. Now underneath the eye, now it's not easy for that big brush to go under there, so I like to go in with a smaller blending brush to at least smudge it. Now while I'm taking out the loose powder, I'm setting it at the same time, so I'm doing like a 2-in-1 this thing application. So now I'm going to the highlights. Now there's something about highlights. The moment you drop it on your face, like it just brings out your face. Like in fact, that's like one of my favorite part of makeup. I'm so eager to reach to that part where I need to apply my glue. Now I'm using a lip pencil to line my lips. A mattifying lip pencil. It's another lip pencil I just discovered. It's so fine, as in it has this very pigmented feel, like it's deep. Can you see it? That's how it is. If I don't even tell someone it's a lip pencil, they'll think it's a lipstick or a lip stain, but it's actually a pencil. It has a very creamy feel. Now I added a light lip stain. I want like kind of an umber feel, so I'm blending it properly with a fluffy brush to give it a very collective feel. Now voila, this is my final look. I'm already almost late for my wedding, but this is my final look. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my channel, love my channel, in fact, with your friends. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in another video. Bye. Thank you. Yeah.